Easy Tribe. If you're doing a DIY master and you're A/Bing it against a track that's professionally mastered or by somebody you respect, and your track is distorting or clipping when it gets close to the same loudness of the other track, chances are you've got a problem with the EQ somewhere. So unwanted frequencies that are clashing, or you've boosted some unnecessary frequencies. I would recommend subtractive EQing, as I mentioned before. So if you want more highs in a sound, take out some mids and lows, and so on. I was just working on a track that I originally mixed down about a year ago. I lost the project, so I've had to remix it down again. And when getting to the similar loudness, it's actually clipping and distorting. Turns out that I had the bass slightly too loud, but mostly some unwanted frequencies were clashing, and I'd boosted some unnecessary frequencies. Enjoy. Peace.